friends, it's _sincerely_Asia, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this video is going to be another Janet Collection wig try on haul. Even as I put this on my head, like even as I have it on in front of y'all right now, I cannot believe that this is a synthetic unit. Like, there is no way that, like, what? These 3D melt lace Swiss situations that Janet Collection has going on are straight fire. Ooh, they are perfect, like straight out the pack. When I put this on, I just knew it was going to be a hit. I just knew it. So if you would like to see this unit as well as a unit from the Naturally Me collection, the one that I usually go for because everybody knows I'm a natural girl at heart and I love a natural look, just keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So let's hop right into it. Throughout the week, I usually have my hair protective style, so I already had a melted wig cap on. You will see that sis did give me a little trouble with the other unit because it does come up so far for when I wear other units, but I still was able to capture the look for you guys. This first one is the Melt 13x6 Lace BISA in the color 2, and I was just really amazed by how much this looked like real hair. Like, nobody could tell me this was not a real pricey $200 unit. I was really impressed by the band that was on the back. I love those bands. It allows you to really rock a unit with no glue or no like adhesive, and they had pins on the inside. So later on, a few weeks later, when I wore the wig without the wig cap on, I did just simply adhere to my braids and use that band. I always make sure to grab one of my foundation brushes that I have laying around. I don't apply any more product. I just take whatever's on there and I press it into the synthetic cap, and then I also will later press it a little bit into the part. Like, look at it. That is crazy, the amount of parting space that you have. My mind was blown. usually wig lace is a little bit harder to work with, so I use like shears or hair cutting scissors to cut it, or sometimes, girl, I might even use kitchen scissors. But this lace was so soft that I went ahead and used the technique that I would use for any other unit, and I just grabbed my little razor, and that's how I did the hairline. If you go to my Instagram, you'll see that I did work with this hairline a lot more to get it to look a lot more natural, but I wanted to make sure that I got a first impression with you guys for you to just see my first reaction to first putting the unit on.
Perfect, perfect, perfect,
And she is perfect. Like, look how natural. Look how natural she is. Like, if I really scalped her and put her on my head, like with a little like tack of adhesive, nobody could tell me that this is not my hair. And the ends are so full and healthy looking. It was just to die for. We're also going to take a moment to acknowledge that I don't know what was going on with this translucent powder. It was given to me by a company, and it is just not working for us chocolate girls. Like, it just, And this is where I really started to feel myself. I had music playing in the background, and I was just like, you are that girl. Yes. Let's hop into this other unit before I fall in love. So this is from the Natural Me collection, the Lace Lite ULLA in color 1B unit. And I always love picking from this collection because I know that I'm familiar with it. And I like how many pins and combs come inside of the cap. I think this one had 4. I'm going to count them out for y'all in just a second. And the parting space is small but very natural because it goes pretty far back. like I said, this is the way I usually cut my units that are synthetic, but that other lace was so soft that I was able to just go through with some shears and just knock it out. Not some shears, y'all, with a razor and just knock it out. But this, like, this wig was just so natural. I really liked the look that it gave me and the fullness. Like, I wish that my natural hair was this full. And this is her final form. I think she's so pretty and very layered. This is definitely a win for me. And make sure y'all tune in because there's going to be so much more to come. We are in Vlogmas, honey. See y'all in the next one. I'm not going to lie. I was not going to give you guys an outro, but your girl just wanted to, she just wanted to, you know, they did their thing with this one.